Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this is going to be an unboxing of my Bluestreak crystals. This is my last big purchase because they're gonna stop selling October 1st, 2021 to non-licensed nail techs. And I had to make one last purchase before I am unable to make any more Swarovski purchases. I get these from London and they're certified Swarovski, so they're super top notch, they're super beautiful, they're super blingy, shiny. If you guys seen my last two unboxing videos, I did purchase two other boxes before this, and man, they are just so beautiful. Like, you could put them on anything. Like, I put them on nails, but I mean, you could bedazzle any and everything. But yeah, this is it has a few of the round SS, like 3, SS5, SS6. Actually, I don't know if it skips it. I know it skips one, but it does have a few circles in there. I believe it's like 4 or 5 different sizes. And then I also got it with this shape. So this is called the Swarovski Dream Box mix, and oh my gosh, they're just so pretty. But yeah, I had to make this purchase one last time because I was like freaking out because they're gonna stop selling them, and I don't know when I'm gonna be able to go to school to get licensed, because I would love to do so, but right now is just not the time for me. So I just had to make one last purchase, and thank the Lord, my girls, they helped me. My 2 teenager girls, they helped purchase this box because this box was expensive, let me tell you. It came out to $804, and it says that it charges you for shipping in that $804, but I noticed that I get charged another 18 something later. Not sure if that's for the shipping or for what, but yeah, so 804 plus like basically another 20 bucks. That's how much we spent on this box. But I really needed it, like, bad, because I just cannot go without these Swarovskis. Like, I take pride in having the real Swarovskis, and I get these from London, and they're so pretty and shiny and cute. So anyways, right here, I totally messed up. I did this on my last box, and I wanted it to go from smallest to biggest, and I missed an envelope. So that's what I'm doing here, trying to fix it, because it was a mess, and I had to scoop one box all out, and then I had to rethink the whole situation. It was just a mess. And then, so yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Sorry guys if I keep coughing and trying to clear my throat. I just got over COVID, my second time having it. It was totally not fun, but yeah. Aren't they so pretty? They're so pretty and shiny. So yeah, now I got it all right. I got it all in sequence. I think that the first left top square is like SS3, and then I believe it goes SS4, SS5, or I feel like it skipped. I can't think about it right now, but I know it skipped. I know there's a SS3, and I think it jumped to SS5, and then it jumps to SS7, 8, and 9, I believe. It was something like that. I don't know, but man, these are so beautiful. Like, I cannot. Bling is my thing. Swarovski is my things, and I freaking love them. Like, they're just shiny. Like, every time I do a set on myself, I always feel like I'm missing something if I don't add my bling. So yeah, I know some people in the comments, they're like, dude, I would never spend that much on bling like that. And it's like, well, not everybody's the same, but like I said, this purchase right here, this box was $804, and me and my two daughters split it 3 ways. So it wasn't as bad as it sounds, okay? But my other 2 boxes I did have to purchase on my own. I think I spent my first box, I think I spent close to $600, and then my second box that I purchased, I think I spent close to $700. But dude, I have like, I'm in stock. I'm in stock hopefully until I could get licensed and I could register to buy these Swarovskis. But we'll see what happens. Yeah, so right here I was trying to figure out how I was gonna open this thing because it came packaged weird. Like, you see, I was trying not to drop it and trying not to mix up certain I wanted everything to be the same in the box, obviously, so that's what I'm trying to do here, and eventually I give up. But yeah, these are so pretty, and I think it came with like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different shapes, and then it comes with 6 different size circles, so totally worth it. I love it. But yeah, so I know I've been doing a lot of talking and I'm kind of sick, so I'm going to end it here. Hope you enjoyed this video, and shout out to Bluestreak crystals. They do not sponsor, this is not like a sponsor video, like none of that is happening, and I don't care because I still like these Swarovskis. They're like the best that I've ever purchased. Anyway, so I'm going to end it there. You guys have a wonderful day. God bless and stay safe.